So little by little, I've been compiling a list of Bristol Compressor required capacitor sizes. I'll put a list of those in the description below, but I did find an easier way to look these up, and that was at Bristol Compressor's website. So thought I'd share that with you guys here. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Maybe 74 degrees, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3:30. It's this nice, beautiful day. What a difference. All right, got one running back here. I recently actually fixed this one had a leak on the high side. Changed the strainer valve, and I think I changed all the capacitors at the same time. So it'll be interesting to do a little checkup on this one. That was maybe a month and a half ago. Interesting one to do a little checkup on. Do a quick follow-up. I can see my little strainer valves right here. Replaced. Feeling the suction side, it's nice and cold. So we're good there. It's holding the charge, so that's a good thing. Just as a rule of thumb, I'll go ahead and pull the disconnect to make this safer. This should be pretty quick. Hopefully I don't interfere with the nice, cool experience. Plane there. Alright. Whoa. Did I not replace the capacitors last time? Maybe not. Maybe I would be glad actually to replace this one with a Titan Pro. Has been also replaced. H23, B24, QABCA. So I probably have looked that up before. Check my notes here. Okay, H23, BT4. No, I do not have that one. So I'm gonna need to look that one up. Okay. Let's do that. Try. H23, H23, B24, Q, A, B, C, A. Bristol Compressor. There we go, Bristol. Okay, got it on Johnstone Supply. Let's see it on Amazon too. Hopefully my internet works well enough to do this. In the meantime, and discharge the capacitors. The capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. Disconnect the start wires. So that's the solid colored brown on the capacitor. And then they jump the Herm wire. Okay. And that side of the hard set. Okay. Okay. I thought for sure I checked these last time, but I don't know. Let's see how my internet venture is going. Oh, come on, buddy. Made something bang pretty loud. Description, specs. Come on.
I did not find my answer on this at this particular time, but researching it later, I found on Bristol Compressor's website itself, you could search the model number for the Bristol compressor. This one required a 35, so actually had the right size capacitor, or left it with the correct size capacitor there. Again, I'll try to leave a list in the description below, like I did on the previous video, showing
oh gosh, it's driving me nuts.
The Bristol compressor capacitor sizes I've looked up so far.
Okay, microfarads here. Okay, the phone rings and the phone rings and the phone rings and the phone rings. That's part of it all. Okay, checking our fan cap, looking for 5. 4.76. It's just, it's there. It's barely there, but it's there. Okay, and our regular capacitor, looking for 35. 34.19, so it's good too. So our fan cap's good, our capacitor's good. But I'm wondering, do we have the right size capacitor? Okay. And somebody just got pulled over, sounds like. Something. Oh gosh, I'm getting nowhere with this one. So let's see if I can come up with anything else here. Come on. Oh gosh. No details. It's annoying. See, I'm telling you guys that someone's gotta get this straight. Okay, I didn't really get anywhere on that. So what I'm gonna do is copy this. Come on. I'm telling you, sometimes it'll drive you nuts. Or drive me nuts. Okay, and then go capacitor size. And if I don't get anywhere pretty quickly, I'm going to need to pull off and do that later. Right now I can reset the fan at least. Now. And I'll have to research that later. Got it on Amazon. But it looks like I'm gonna have to do that later. I don't want to leave it off without power or without cooling for too long. I didn't want to notice that, you know. So. Alright, we're all reconnected there. Ready to plug it back in. And I will research that later. And may just have to come back to this one if it's different. Obviously it's been working this way for some time, so go ahead and plug it back in and come back to that. I'm just going to make sure I copy it to my notes. H2 3B2. I had an 8 instead of the 4, and that was a 35, so it's very likely that it is a 35 anyway, so just gonna post this in here and add it to my list for further research. Paste. Alright, and save. Alright. We're running good. We're nice and cold. Compressor's a little on the hot side. Again, I had this one with the bad Schrader valves. May not be the only thing going on with this one. I'll have to monitor it, check it. Probably good to get after it before it gets hot. But all right, go on to the next one and keep checking them all. Such a nice day. Wow, very nice. Some planes. Enough those will come in on the camera. It's pretty cool. Alright.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.